What is going on, guys? It's me again, Vince, with another video. And today I'm actually headed out to San Bernardino area where my buddy Jerry is at. For those of you guys who doesn't know, he is actually the owner of a company called Beastfab. Now, for quite a while now, I've been actually looking for some sliders for my truck. It actually started when I went to Cleghorn, and after that trip, I kind of realized that I do need a slider, because as you guys can tell on my previous pictures, I have the Predator steps for my truck, and it looked nice. Don't get me wrong, I really liked it, but it just came to a point where I realized that if you go off-roading, you actually have lesser clearance with those steps, and it doesn't really protect your truck at all, like your side panels, when an unfortunate event happens that you actually hit a rock. That will just be damaged. So I told myself I needed to get some sliders, and I've been looking around, trying to get a best deal and trying to see what's out there. And so I hit up my buddy Jerry, and we finally made a deal about making a slider, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go ahead and have it installed in my truck, and we'll see how it goes, and I'll take you through the process. So he pretty much just clamped the sliders right now because it's easier for him to bolt it in when it's on the lift. So it's just gonna try to raise it up right now and just finish the process.
If you're in the off-road industry, definitely the way to go, I would say, is getting some rock sliders for the double purpose. If you really want protection for your truck while you're doing off-roading, or either you do just simple stuff, but I mean they're always good to have them, because you can use them as step bars as well, and you can also modify them as depending on what design you want. If you want like some kickouts, or you want just the slim lines like the low pros. But I would say the main purpose of the sliders is just protect the integrity of the cab. If you go over something, rock, or also mall crawling, if you go to the parking lots and then you have a car right next to you and he opens the door and then try to hit yours, the slider's gonna save your door. So
That's true.
Pretty much that's true. And then, but yeah, pretty much. I mean, in newer vehicles, I would recommend definitely going with the bolt-ons. I mean, you don't want to void any warranties at all. Okay, the point of the kick out, I would say, if you get the low pros or non-kick outs, definitely you're gonna sometimes have issues in getting out of obstacles. So pretty much what it does is whenever you're sliding against or on the obstacle, when you get to this part, pretty much this part over here, it keeps your truck out of it. Or also you can use them to reach on your roof rack, or to step on them to get to the bed or something like that. You know, they're pretty useful, and also, you know, they look pretty good.
And where can they contact you, Jerry?
Well, I have my email. We have well, like you guys probably know, we have an Instagram page. So we have all the information right there. We have the emails, we have the phone numbers, and also you guys, you can DM us. It doesn't matter. We are pretty active on social medias. Yeah, we do custom plasma cutting, bending, tubing bending, sheet metal bending. We do any kind of stuff. If you have something in your mind for some custom fabrication, we can make it possible. It's just a matter of having a good communication, and that's it.
Cool. All right.